My name is Rob Pruitt. I'm a director of Pruitt Bisley Architects, and to put it simply, we specialise in making great architecture, great spaces that also happen to use very small amounts of energy.
Hi, my name is Rafael de Limata. I'm a director of Bowtie Construction, and we specialise in building or refurbishing to passive house or low energy standard. With this project, we took grade to a listed building, originally been an office, and converted into a passive house, high-end home for a family.
I became aware of passive house 10, 12 years ago when I was looking at doing something green, and the whole concept took being green a lot further than I had thought before.
Our knowledge of the energy we've used, we don't really have heating on most of the time, and that already is a dramatic difference to this time last year in a similar house where we had continuous heat.
The temperature is very even, so on a cold day in a conventional house you might have some very warm bits where the heating is on or near the radiators, and very cold bits near the windows or corners of the house which aren't being heated. Whereas in a passive house everything is even, so it doesn't feel too hot or too cold anywhere.
And we've combined modern evacuated glass technology into a number of their existing frames, so you get a very visually minimal impact, but a very, very powerful energy saving and comfort gain delivered.
In our old house, you could hear people's conversations from street level right up to the top of the house, maybe how the acoustics work, and that's not here. So it feels very much like a cosy, comfortable, quiet island when you come in the door.
The entire house is lined with internal wall insulation.
We added automation on the windows, blinds, ventilation systems, and even simple things like towel rails in the bathrooms.
Working with Bowtie Construction was very good. They were very professional and paid a lot of attention to building detail. Where there were small problems here and there, they were always keen to investigate and fix them.
Our software implementation allowed us to give us precise cost of the build on the day which my client asked that question. So far we had no complaints or no surprise clients who suddenly realized that they're massively over budget.
Bowtie was a pleasure to work with. I think we were really lucky to find them through our architect.
And it was a pleasure to work with a client who was very supportive and proactive on the energy agenda, and whose aims and ambitions for the house sort of fitted very well with ours. So that made it a very easy, very enjoyable process.